Hi, welcome to How to Repair. This video is on Bosch, Neff and Siemens made washing machines. Any of the Bosch manufactured group, this will apply to. What I'm quickly going to show you is how to clear error codes on your washing machine. This washing machine originally had an F21 error code, and now I've replaced the carbon brushes. But when I put the machine back on, it was showing F63. So what I'm quickly going to do is show you how to clear the error codes on the machine so you can get the machine functioning again. If there is a fault after you have cleared the error code, then this will at least put you in the right direction of what the fault should be, so you get a fresh error code. Okay, so here we have the F63 error code and we want to clear it. Now, on some makes of machine, the clearing the error code will be slightly different. Sometimes you have to hold the spin and start button when you do this instead of just the the spin button. So turn it to 0, make sure the machine is off. Then we are going to turn the dial down to the 6 o'clock rinse position at the bottom. This may vary from machine to machine. Once this lights up, press and hold the spin button while turning it to the spin position for 5 seconds. Release the button, turn it to the off position. It should have cleared the error code. And there we go. Right, the machine now has gone through a couple of washes and it's all working perfectly. No error code came up on a heating cycle or a wash. It's on a rinse cycle at the moment, and the new carbon brushes are bedding into the motor. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, there are a lot more videos at the website with regards changing components like pumps, door seals, water valves, carbon brushes in the motor, etc. And there are many more FAQ pages at the website which will help you diagnose the problems with your machine. I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, as that's what keeps us going and able to make these videos for you. And if we really helped, you can always click on the Buy Paul a Beer page. Thanks very much indeed for watching.